Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will be conducting the pre-bid conference for civil works projects. To start with, let us all stand for the prayer.
You have given us another opportunity of creating life with your Please pardon us our shortcomings and let us remember our grace. May we learn to honor our lives to yourself. Father, bless us with the grace, especially to the ages of our community of friends. Guide us in our discussions. We don't have minds and social. Give us your grace and be lifted to do our cause for ourselves. Bless our transform us to projects to the confusing and always we ask in Jesus' name.
I would like to request the Bank Secretariat to introduce the attendees of today's activity.
For our attendees this afternoon, we have here our back Vice Chairperson, Engineer Virgil Gallo. Our back members, we have Ms. Joy Dispar, Engineer Nancy Tabiano, Engineer Francesca S. Malcon, and Engineer Rana H. Ortiz. And for our DWG, we have Engineer Giovanni Isorbano, Mr. Ben Vincent Lim, and Ms. Margie Chavez. And for our back secretariat members, we have Ms. Iluminada Indencio. And we also have representative from the Planning and Design section. We have Edsel Gabilangoso and Romel Gonzaga. We don't have any representative from our prospective contractors who attended this video conference.
Number 1, Contract ID 25GE0043, Contract Name, Construction of Roads to Putaki Structure, Guimaras Circumferential Road, S00028GR, kilometer 95 plus 580 to kilometer 95 plus 1009. Location, Poblacion, Nueva Valencia, Guimaras. With an approved budget for the contract of 91,690,000 pesos. Source of funds, General Appropriations Act, DPWH 2025. Contract duration, 320 calendar days, and the cost of bidding documents is 50,000 pesos. Number 2, Contract ID 25GE0044, with contract name Road Widening, Guimaras Circumferential Road, S00028GR, kilometer 19 plus 780 to kilometer 20 plus 180. Location, Santo Rosario, Buena Vista. The approved budget for the contract is 21,762,000 pesos. Source of funds, General Appropriations Act, GAA 2025. Contract duration, 149 calendar days, and the cost of bidding documents is 25,000 pesos. Number 3, Contract ID 25GE0045. Contract name, Construction of Drainage Structure along Guimaras Circumferential Road, S00028GR, kilometer 0000 plus 85. Location, San Miguel, Jordan, Guimaras. The approved budget for the contract is 17,600,000 pesos. Source of funds, General Appropriations Act, FY 2025. Contract duration, 152 calendar days, and the cost of bidding documents is 25,000 pesos. The scope of works for 25GE0043, Part A, facilities for the engineer, Part B, other general requirements, Part C, earthworks, Part F, bridge construction, Part G, drainage and slope protection structures, and Part H, miscellaneous structures. The scope of works for 25 GE 0044, Part B, other general requirements, Parts earthworks, Part D, sub-base and base course, Part E, surface courses, Part F, bridge construction, Part G, drainage and slope protection structures, and Part H, miscellaneous structures. The scope of works for 25 GE 0045, Part B, other general requirements, DPWH standard specifications for highways, bridges, and airports, Volume 2. Part C, earthworks, Part D, sub-base and base course, Part E, surface courses, Part G, drainage and slope protection structures, DPWH standard specifications for public works structures, Volume 3. Part D, reinforced concrete, Part E, finishing and other civil works, Part L to C, drainage work. Major categories of works for 25 GE 0043, RCSDS, roads, construction, slope protection using structural measures, example, revetment, retaining structures, and wirenet. Similar categories of works, FCSDS, flood control, construction, slope protection using structural measures, example, revetment, retaining structures, and wirenet. FHR, flood control, hydraulics, river control. Qualifiers, bidders must have completed at least one contract that is similar to the following works, among others: A, stone masonry, B, retaining wall, C, grounded riprap, D, geosynthetic. Number 2, similar slope protection works with at least 50% of the item or work of the project. Major categories of works for 25 GE 0044, RCP, road, construction, PCCT. Similar categories of works are RP, roads, rehabilitation, PCCT. RCTP, roads, construction, panel, PCCT. Qualifiers must have completed reconstruction and reblocking, including base course covering 50% of the item of the work of the project, and include airport, runways, taxiways, and acres. Major categories of works for 25 GE 0045, FCN, flood control, construction, drainage. Similar categories of works are RCP, roads, construction, PCCP, RCA, roads, construction, asphalt, RRP, roads, rehabilitation, PCCP, RRA, roads, rehabilitation, asphalt, WSL2 and 3, water supply level 2 and 3, construction, pipe water with communal private water pipe. FHN, flood control, hydraulics, drainage. FHD, flood control, hydraulics, dam, and FHR, flood control, hydraulics, river control. Qualifiers must have completed road construction with drainage component or water supply levels 2 and 3, construction with water pipes or sewer pipes. The required pickup license for 25 GE 0043 are as follows: size range medium B, license category A, single largest project about 50 million up to 100 million pesos. Allowable reasonable contract cost up to 200 million pesos. The required pickup license for 25 GE 0044 and 25 GE 0045 are as follows: size range medium A, license category B, single largest project about 10 million up to 100 million pesos. Allowable rates of contract cost up to 100 million pesos. General conditions of the contract, special conditions of the contract, specifications, drawings, and bill of quantities can be downloaded at the PhilJEP's website and DPWH website. These are the documents comprising the bid, legal documents, PhilJEP's registration, SIC registration or DTI registration, mayor's permit, and tax clearance. For technical documents requirements, statement of ongoing contracts, statement of bidder single largest completed contracts, pickup license or special pickup joint venture license, bid security or the rescissional chart, list of contractors' major equipment, list of contractors, minimum materials, testing equipment, omnibus work statement, ITR, and financial statement, and FCC computation, valid joint venture agreement if applicable. For financial documents requirements, financial bid form, bill of quantities, detailed estimates including summary sheet, quarterly, monthly cash flow, and payment schedule. All documents shall be printed in A4 format, tagged and bounded. Please attach the bidding documents in the technical component of your bid. For the bids to be submitted electronically or online, the following procedure should be observed following DO 87 series of 2020. Number 1, submission of the electronic official receipt of purchase of the bidding documents. Number 2, confirmation of the electronically submitted official receipt. Number 3, preparation and submission of an electronic bid. Number 4, modification of an electronic bid. Number 5, non-preparation in the bidding. Number 6, withdrawal of electronic bid. Number 7, opening of the electronic bid. And number 8, filing convention in case of a joint venture bidder. Bid opening for 25 GE 0043, 25 GE 0044, and 25 GE 0045 shall be on March 13, 2025, Thursday, 9 a.m. at 2nd floor bidding room, DPWH Guimaras District Engineer Office, San Miguel, Jordan, Guimaras. Bids will be opened in the presence of the bidder's representatives who choose to attend. Late bids shall not be accepted. Bid submission may be done manually or electronically or online. However, bidders should only select one mode of submission, either manual or electronic. Similar to manual submission, the guidelines for the preparation and submission of an electronic bid are contained in the BDS. Bids must be duly received by the Back Secretariat for manual submission or electronic bids _Guimaras at dpwh.gov.ph for electronic submission on or before March 13, 2025 at 9 p.m. All these must be accompanied by a bid security in any of the acceptable forms and in the amount stated in Activity Clause 18. So any clarification for these 3 civil works projects? Since there are no further clarifications and no presence of representatives from the prospective bidders, this activity is adjourned. Thank you.